Hey everybody, Dave here, and tonight I wanted to show you guys this hydroponic pepper I have going here. I'm growing this in Master Blend. It's prairie fire pepper. It's an ornamental pepper, but it's also a hot pepper. 70,000 Scoville heat units, I believe. So it's a pretty hot pepper, and I'm going to pick these and then I'm going to dry them in my gas oven with just the pilot light on. I don't turn the oven on. It's about 100 degrees in there, just the way it is. So I just put a piece of screen in there on the oven rack, and then I'll throw these on it, and in about 4 or 5 days these will be nice and dried, and then I'll put them in mason jars for the winter, and that'll be my hot pepper supply for the winter. So yeah, so let's pick these babies. So I can't tell what I'm showing you guys. I got on a chest cam and I can't really tell what it's filming, but hopefully you guys will be able to see some of these beautiful peppers. So I'll try to give you a close-up look. They're a beautiful red, and I've got some out there that are the same kind of peppers, but they turned purple. First they were green, and then they went to like a purple, and then they became red. And so I guess these prairie fire peppers can come in an assortment of colors, sometimes on the same plant. Anyway, they're beautiful little peppers. Very hot, not a lot of pepper flavor, mostly just heat, but excellent for chilies and stuff like that. There's quite a few on here. And then there's more, still a little more buds coming, so I expect these to put out peppers for quite a long time, maybe into November, October. So like I said, I think I told you guys, I'm using Master Blend in there, and this pepper I grew from seed. Oh no, I didn't, I'm sorry, I bought this as a little plant. It was a baby plant I bought from somebody who grew plants at their house at a little roadside stand and was selling seedlings of peppers and cucumbers and tomatoes. So I hope I'm showing you guys the right, at least some of this picking. And give you guys a look in here. I've got more in the soil garden and a little bit more in the hydroponics. So I've got a lot of peppers this year. So mostly what I wanted to tell you guys too is if there's any beginners, the mason jars are a great way to start, and you can grow anything in a mason jar really, but the best things are probably like peppers like this, some hot peppers or ornamental peppers. You could even do a bell pepper, but probably a bigger container would be much better. But I like the mason jar for herbs. I have a basil over here. This basil's not looking too good, but I just took 8 cuttings off of it for a grow pipe. So, you know, it's dealing with recovering from that. This is, I gotta water these. See how low that was? There was only a little bit in there. So it's time to water everything. But I'm gonna finish picking this, and then I'll water everything. Well, that's it for tonight, folks. Thanks for watching, and happy growing, everyone. I'm going to go put these on the screen and put them in the oven, and 4 or 5 days they'll be nice and dry.